Namaste. Today we are going to learn the plank pose, or in Sanskrit, Kumbhakasana. This pose helps to develop strength of core muscles of the shoulders, arms, trunk, and legs. To begin, in your Vajrasana pose, then bend forward, 2 hands on the mat in your all four positions. Inhale and exhale. Hold this position for a while. Tuck your belly in and slowly step your right foot and left foot back as you are comfortable. The more you stay in this position, the more you will develop strength and stamina. Eyes gaze forward. The head, trunk, back, and legs should all be in one straight line in the final pose. Keep the hands and legs straight. Do not bend the elbows or the knees. To release the pose, slowly bend your knees and bring your knees to the floor, and then come back to your Vajrasana pose.